current spouse, date of marriage, with the prior spouse, and G, date of current spouse, marriage, and with the prior spouse, something, marriage date. H, how my current spouse, my marriage ended with the prior spouse. Annual divorce, spouse, increase, something. 9, if you were married before, provide the following information about your prior spouse. If you have more than one previous marriage, provide that information on additional sheet of paper. A, my prior spouse's legal name, family name, given name, middle name. Why they need that? The prior spouse, they don't need it, but all the information they want. B, my spouse, prior spouse, immigration status, my marriage ended. This one is just the prior spouse. And then also B, my prior spouse immigration status when my marriage ended, U.S. citizen, lawful permanent residence, other something. C, my prior spouse, date of birth. F would do the same thing with F. Date of marriage with my prior spouse. C1. My date is marriage with the prior spouse. G1, date marriage ended with my prior spouse. H, how marriage ended with my prior spouse. Part 11, information about your children. Indicate a total number of children. You must indicate all children, including children who are alive, missing, diseased, children born in the United States or in other country, children under 18 years of age or older. Even private the following information about all December. Even number 2, provide the following information about your children, sons and daughters. Listing item number 1, regardless of age. To list any additional children, use additional sheet of paper. Child 1, current legal name, family name, given name, middle name, and a number. Next page, information about your children, current address, street number and name, city, town, county, state, zip code, province or region, postal code, county, country. This 3 line, all along the other country. What's your children's relationship to you? Child 2, same thing. Child 3, same thing. All the information. Next page, page 60. Part 11, information about your children. Current address, same thing. Part 4, the child 4. If a child number 4, that's one by one. Over 4, you make that one more page. Part 12, additional information about you. Answer item that are numbers 1 to 12, 21. If you answer yes to any of these questions, include typed or printed explanation on additional sheet or page paper. Number 1. Have you ever claimed to be U.S. citizen? Yes or no? Two, have you ever registered to vote in any federal, state, or local election in the United States? 3, have you ever voted in federal, state, or local election in the United States? Number 4, A, do you know how or did you ever have hear the deductory title or on other of notified nobility in any foreign country? If you answer yes, are you willing to give up any inherited title or other nobility that you have a foreign country at your nationalization ceremony? Have you ever been declared over legally information? Next page. Part 12. Additional information about you. Person applying for naturalization. Do you owe any overdue federal, state, or local tax? 7. Have you ever not filed federal, state, or local tax return since you become a lawful permanent resident? B. If you answered yes, did you consider yourself to be a non-US resident? Number 8. Have you called yourself a non-US resident on a federal, state, or local state return since you became a local permanent resident? Number 9. Okay. Have you ever been a member of individuals Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with any organization, association, funds, foundation, party, club, society, of a similar group in the United States or in any other location in the world? Yes or no? If you answer yes, provide the information below. If you need extra space, attach the number, something. What type, group, what, purpose of group, date of membership, something. Number 10, have you ever been a member of or in any way associated, either direct or indirectly, with a Communist Party. B. Any other totalitarian party. C. Territorial organization. All of no. If the yes, you can get any citizen. 11. Have you ever advocated either directly or indirectly the overthrow any government by force or violence? Also no. Have you ever persecuted either directly or indirectly any person? Between March 23rd, 1933 and March 8, 1945, this period is the World War II. Did you work for associate with anyone, either directly or indirectly with A. the Nazi government of Germany, B. any government in any area occupied, allied with or established with the help of the Nazi government of Germany, C. any government Nazi or SS military unit, paramilitary unit, self-defense unit, vigilant unit, citizen unit, police unit, or government unit, extermination camp, concentration camp, prisoner of war camp, prison labor camp, or transit camp. This one is also all the no. If you use mark yes, you cannot take on citizen. Next page, part 12. Additional information about you. Personal apply for naturalization. 14. Were you ever involved in any way with any of the following? Genocide, torture, 7. Killing or trying to kill someone. D. Bodily hunting or trying to hurt. Personal purpose, forcing or trying to force someone to have any kind of sexual contact. And you make all wrong. 15. Were you ever a member of, or did you ever service in, help, or otherwise participate in any of the following groups? Military unit, paramilitary unit, a group of people who set like the military group but are not part of the official military. Police unit, self-defense unit, vigilance unit, a group of people who are like the police but are not part of the official police. Rebel group, Galleon group, a group of people who use weapons against otherwise physically attack the military, police, government, or other people. H. Military or animal, from people, not if you say yes, you should make explanation why you wanted the Nazis, or why you wanted military, why you wanted the police, something like that. Make explanation. Page 62, number 16. Were you ever a worker, volunteer, or soldier, or did you otherwise ever serve in any of the following? Prison or jail, prison camp, detention facility, a place where people are forced to stay, labor camp. Any other place where people were forced to stay, all but no. 17. Were you ever a part of any group, or did you ever help any group, unit, or organization that used a weapon against any person or threatened to do so? Okay. If you answered yes, when you were part of a group, or when you helped this group, did you ever use the weapon against any person? No. B. If you answered yes, when you were part of this group, when you helped this group, did you ever tell about persons that you would use weapon against the person? No. 18. Did you ever sell, give, or provide a weapon any person? Were you ever part of a group? Did you ever help any group, unit, or organization that used a weapon against any person or threatened to do so? A. If you answer yes, when you were part of this group, we did. Number 18. Did you ever sell, give, or provide weapons or any person, or help another person sell, give, or provide weapons to any person? No. A. If you answer yes, did you know that this person was going to use the weapons against another person? B. If you answer yes, did you know that this person was going to sell or give the weapon for a person, someone who was going to use them against the other person, or no? 63. Additional information about your person applying for natural aviation. 19. Did you ever receive any type of military, paramilitary, a group of people who act like a military group but are not part of the official military or weapons training? No. 20. Did you ever recruit, and risk sign up, conscript requires, or use any person under 15 years of age to serve or help an armed force or group? No. Did you ever use any person under 50 years of age to do anything that help support people in combat? No. If any of item number 22 through 28 apply to you, you must answer yes, even if your record have been sealed, exposed, or otherwise cleared. You must disclose that information even if including a judge, law enforcement officer, or attorney, told you that it no longer constitutes a record, or told you that you do not have to disclose the information. 22. Have you ever committed a city consistent or to commit a crime or offense for which you were not arrested? No. Have you ever been arrested, sitting, detained, or any law enforcement, including any immigration officer or any official of the informed forces for any reason? No. 24. Have you ever been charged with committing, attempting to commit, or assisted committing crime or offense? No. 25. Have you ever been convicted of a crime or offense? No. 26. Have you ever been placed or an ultimate sentence or a rehabilitative program? For example, devotion, the first prosecution, withhold, adjudication, deferred adjudication. 27. Have you ever received a suspended sentence, been placed on probation, or been paroled? B. If you answer yes, have you completed this probation or parole? No. Have you ever been in jail or prison? No. If you answered yes, how long were you in jail and prison? How many years, months, something? If you answered no to all questions in item number 20, 30 through 28, then skip this item and go to the number 30. Next page, 64. Additional information about you. Answer item number 32 to 46. If you answer yes to any of these questions, except item number 17, 18, include typed or printed explanation, additional sheet of paper, and providing evidence to support your answer. This answer is everything is no, not marked yes. Have you ever been a habitual drunkard? No. Have been prosecute anyone for prostitution? No. Sold smuggling, controlled substance, illegal drug or narcotism? No. Being married to more than one person at the same time? No. Married to someone in order to obtain an immigration benefit? No. Have helped anyone to help to enter or trying to enter United States illegal? No. Gambling? Illegal or received income from illegal gambling? No. Fail to support your descendants or to any other way. Made any misrepresentation to obtain or any personal benefit, public benefit in the United States? No. 31. Have you ever given any U.S. government officers any information or documentation that was false, fraudulent, or misleading. No. Have you ever lived in any U.S. government official to give an entry of admission into the United States or gain immigration benefit while in the United States? No. 33. Have you ever been removed, included, or deported from the United States? 34. Have you ever been ordered, removed, included, or deported from the United States? Have you ever been placed in removal, including rescission, deportation proceeding? No. Are you removal, inclusion, rescission, or deportation proceeding, including administrative closed proceeding, currently pending against you? No. Have you ever served in the United Armed Forces? If you go to the U.S. Army, yes, but normally no. Are you currently a member of the United Armed Forces? If you answer yes, are you scheduled to develop that law overseas, including professor, within the next 3 months? Have you ever been called to marital, administrative, separate, or discipline? Have you received an other than honorable discharge while in the U.S. Armed Forces? 40. Have you ever been discharged from routine training or felt sorrow in the U.S. Armed Forces because you were on alien? 41. Have you ever left the United States to avoid being drafted in the U.S. Armed Forces? 42. Have you ever applied for any kind of exemption from military service in the U.S. Armed Forces? Have you ever dissolved from the U.S. Armed Forces? Part 12. Additional information about you. 44a. Are you male who lived in the United States at any time between your 18th and 16th birthday? This does not include the living in the United States or lawful non-immigrants. B. If you answer yes, when did you register for the selective service? Provide information below. Date. C. If you answer yes, but you did not register with the selective service system in any of you are. Number 1, still under 26 years of age, you must register before you applying for naturalization and complete the selective service information above, or now 26 to 1 years of age, 26 years of age if you are filing on the NA selection 319, but you did not register with the select service. You must attach statement explaining why do you register and provide the status information letter from the selective service. Answer. You naturalization 45 to 50. If you answer No, any of these questions include type to print, explanation, additional setup, provide, include support to your answer. 45 to 50, you should mark all of the yes. 45, do you support a constitutional form of government of the United States? Yes. 46, do you understand the full oath of allegation of the United States? Yes. 47, are you willing to take the full oath of the United States? Yes. 48, if the law requires, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States? Yes. 49, if the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combat service in the U.S. Armed Force? Yes. 50. If the law required it, are you willing to perform work of national importance on the civil direction? Yes. 13. Applicant statement, certification and signature. Read the penalties portion of the Form N-400 instruction before complete this part. Note, select the box either item A or B, item number 1 of applicable. Select the box for item number 2, 1. Applicant statement regarding the interpreter. 4. I can read and understand English. I have read and understand every question on instruction on this application and my answer every question. B. The interpreter name part 14. Part 14. Read me every question and instruction on this application. My answer to every question in some a language in which I am fluent and understand everything in your country. 2. Applicant statement regarding the preparer. In my question, preparer name in part 15. Any application form may based any open information provide the authorization. If you wanna go to the restroom, you can go.
Okay.
Page 66. Applicant statement. Copy of any document. I have submit exact photocopy of a unilateral original document, and I understand that USCIS may require. This is the I certified on the penalty of perjury that I provide or authorize that of the information. My application, I understand all of the information contained in and submit with my application, and that all of this information complete, true, and correct applicant signature. Date. 14. Interpreter's contact information. If you hire the interpreter, he should sign, he should make this document. If you didn't, interpreter, just this pass, you don't need it. Interpreter's name or something. Next page is 67. Interpreter's contact information, same thing. Part 15. Contact information declaration, signature of the person preparing this application. I, other than the applicant. Prepare a full name. Who make this document? Attorney or paralegal, or your friend or you yourself? Number 1. Prepare the family name. Prepare a given name. 2. Prepares business or organization name. Prepare a mailing address. Part 15. Contact information declaration and signature of the person preparing this application. 4. Prepares daytime telephone number, prepares mobile telephone number, prepares email address. Prepare statement. 8. I'm not an attorney or accredited representative, but have prepared this application on behalf of the application and with the applicant's consent. B. I'm an attorney, accredited representative, and my representation of the application in this case does not extend beyond the preparation of the application. Note, if you are an attorney or accredited representation whose representative extend beyond preparation of this application, be applied at least the submit of complete form G28, notice of entry of preparation, attorney or accredited representative with the applicant. Prepare a signature. Do not complete part 16, 17, or 18 until the USCIS officer instruct you to do so at the interview. 16. Signature at interview. I swear and certified under penalty of perjury under the laws of the United States of Arms, America, that I know the contents of this form and 400 application for naturalization subscribed by me, including collection number I threw are complete through and collect evidence submit by me or number page I threw some complete to collect subscribe in any sworn to before me. Somebody come, please name the signature. 17. Renegotiation of a foreign title. If you answer yes to part 12 item A and B in item number 4, then you must affirm the following before a USCIS officer. I further re-announce the title of some which I have enclosed here to I further renounce about order of nobility which have belonged African printed name after signature USCIS officer printed name his signature date of signature. This one is the immigration person make the sign. Oath of allegiance. If the applicant is proved, you will be scheduled for a public oath ceremony in which time you will be required to take the following oath of allegiance immediately prior of becoming natural people by signing below. You acknowledge that you are willing the military to take the oath. I hereby declare on oath that I absolutely and entirely renounce and adjure all organizations and feed them to any foreign prince, portrait, and sovereignty to whom which I have merely been subject or citizen, that I will support and defend the Constitution and the law of the United States American against all enemies, foreign and domestic, also that I will bear the face and elegance to stand. I will bear arms on behalf of the United States when required by law. I will perform combatant service in the armed force of the United States when I required by law. I will perform what the nation importance under the civilian direction when I required by law, and I take the obligation free without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.